back. It's been a busy week of deals in the sports gambling space, and Britain's Entain could be next. The company owns Ladbrokes, and in reporting results this morning, said that soccer's Euro 2020 was the biggest sporting event in its history. Contessa Brewer is here with more. Contessa.
Oh, Kelly, Entain has a lot to crow about here. The UK-listed global gaming company is partners with MGM Resorts in the sports betting iGaming platform BetMGM. And it has just taken over as the #2 market leader in the United States. Now, Entain, as you mentioned, is probably best known as the owner of Ladbrokes in Europe, but it's already operating in 27 markets around the globe and has its sights set on 50 more. Its new CEO has been on the job for only 6 months, but she has some big plans for how to capture a quarter of what she anticipates will be a $160 billion total addressable market, announcing today that Entain is acquiring unicorn Esports.
We actually believe that we can build a global scalable platform that is fully compliant and taking care of all the different areas of player protection and responsible gaming, and really also interacting with the regulators in terms of how we build this for the future. So that's really why we see there's a hugely exciting opportunity for us, because that platform doesn't exist today. We believe we can have a first mover advantage here in building this fully integrated platform for the esports fans.
Already, esports has about 450 million viewers, they say, that they could bring on board. Entain's second quarter earnings beat expectations. They announced significant cost savings initiatives and, of course, the new outreach on esports. So this, I think, might be somewhat of a gaming gauntlet thrown down by Entain, because MGM Resorts made an $11 billion bid to buy its partner in January. The Entain board scoffed. It said, look, that offer is way too low. We're going to watch to see if MGM reapproaches with a bid that is closer to what Entain thinks it's worth. I reached out to MGM. They would not comment, although on the earnings call, CEO Bill Hornbuckle said he values the partnership with Entain, but his M&A strategy does not rely on only one company, Kelly.
Is there a little bit, though, of a flurry of deals right now in a space that is relatively new but maybe quickly consolidating? And if so, you have to imagine it's going to kind of consolidate down to a couple of key players.
Part of it is that there's this big, mad, I call it a gold rush, right? This is like the Wild West. You have all these people rushing because they hear there's gold in them bar hills. There is not enough gold for all of these players. And what they think they can earn is exceeding what the total addressable market currently is. Plus, you have to have capital to compete. You have to have a marketing budget. You have to have a way to move forward. That's why you're seeing so much of this consolidation happen, because for some of these smaller players, they bring some tech to the table. They're bringing some customer base to the table or something alluring, but they don't have the cash to play.
Very, very good point. Maybe they're all hoping for numbers that add up to more than the whole market. Contessa, we appreciate it very much.